Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Brawl Stars on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So, just go into the Play Store. Well, of course it's not everything, but sometimes you will see that it is inside the suggestion for you. But this is a very bad tutorial done, so instead let's go into search bar properly. Let's ignore that this is in search. Let's go into search apps and games and let's type in Brawl Stars. Now, of course, there will be few things. For example, usually we have something in the sponsored and it is rarely a Brawl Stars that we are searching for, so let's ignore that. Let's scroll down instead. And as you can see, we still have some other things. For example, we have like Squad Busters, Fortnite X Overwatch, which is pretty funny, and all of those things. But what we want to do is want to make sure that the thing we are downloading is the official Brawl Stars made by Supercell, which is like, you know, these guys, they made Clash Royale, they make Clash of Clans and all of these cool games that earn them money. And now all you want to do is just hit install, and we are installing the Brawl Stars. And of course this might take a while because it's a pretty large game, but after you've done that you will be able to game epically. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!